8 months was a breeze.
దాని తర్వాత the real game started.
All of us are eager waiting to hold the little star.
It's been a 11-year excitement build up. So you know it's at a crescendo.
Lot of people, lot of stress. 11 years అయిపోయింది, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఇద్దరు. I guess everything finds its own place and time, and this baby found its time then, and it happened. It's been real. Nobody has sacrificed more than the other person. I think she had a better partnership. She was better in this 11 years partnership.
I can't move. I'm just getting emotional with everything. I just feel being a mom completes me.
It was very tense. It was very proper ga cheyali. But I think the second the baby comes out is when I think I'm going to be relieved and really enjoy the 9 months process.
So many people will love this child unconditionally, and I'm so grateful for it. It comes with so much, true good feelings from everyone, and I think that's something so beautiful, and I'm really thankful and grateful for it.
అందరికీ పాప పేరుని అనౌన్స్ చేయడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. క్లిన్ కారా కొణిదల.